Okay. Yes. So for now, let's just move on with this and see how best it can. Yeah, this works well when I'm working on the video. It gives me a perfect one.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know, but since it's upside down, so we can't continue again like that. We'll see what we can do.
We can continue just like this.
Yeah, we'll see what can be done. So this one we are okay. So when we come to the root of x, we should be able to apply this concept there. So let's try see what we have there. So we have x plus 5 is equal to, so now we are distributing this the way we had done there. So this 5 has to multiply by everything here. So we have 5.
So be 5 outside. Yeah.
Then 5 minus root x. Okay, then the whole minus root of x there should also multiply by that. So minus root of x, then 5
minus root of x.
Great. So we have x plus 5 is equal to, so now we can multiply. So we have 5 times 5, that's going to give us 25 minus 5 times root x is just 5 root x. Okay, it's just 5 root x. These two cannot combine. So they will just like 5 oranges. You understand? Yeah, 5 oranges. So it's just, this is how this one is. So you can't blend them. You can't. There's nothing you can do. The 5 cannot go inside the x. The x cannot come outside. So they remain just like this. So 5 times, it's like you have 5 times a. So this one simply gives you 5a. That's what you get there. So there's nothing much that can be done about it. So you just combine them and get that. Yeah, so we are done with this part. Then we come to the other part. So 5 times this, we get the same 5 root x, like that. Yeah, so then we have negative, we're going to get plus. So we have root x times root x. So root x times root x. Yeah, something like that. Of which we know root x times root x is going to give us so this one here, we know it's going to give us x. Okay? Because we know root x times root x, it will give us just x. So from here we have x plus 5 is equal to 25. Now, we have negative 5 root x minus 5 root x. What does this give us?
0.
No, Trace. It's like we have we have negative 2 minus 2. What do we get?
To be negative 4.
Good. So negative 5 minus 5, what do we get?
Negative 10.
Negative 10 root x. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, so negative 10 root x plus, so x, root x times root x, we said it gives us x. So this gives us x. Is that okay?
Let me capture.
So okay, great. I understand, because on the phone you just press with fingers. So I understand when you say you're using a PC.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so this one gives us, let me just wrap this part here. So we have, so from here we can collect the like terms. So you can collect the like terms. We can either bring the x's this side or take them the other side, whichever is going to work.
Take it to the left.
So the x's should be this side?
Yes.
Okay, so we have x here. This x here, when it crosses the equal sign, remember what you are taught at primary? That when it crosses, it becomes negative. So I have negative x. So this one we have cancelled, we have moved on this one. Then we come to this one. We have this one, when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes plus, right?
Positive.
Yes, so it will be plus 10 root x which is equal to. So now we have pushed all the x's the other side. So
Yeah.
now this side we have a 25. There's no need of we are just putting it where it is. Then we have this 5 that should cross to the other side. So it becomes minus 5 there. So you see that this and this cancels out?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we remain with 10 root x is equal to 25 minus 5. That gives us 20.
20.
Yeah. So we can divide through by 10. Divide through by 10 so that this and that can cancel. So here we remain with root x is equal to 10 here 1, 10 into 20 is 2. So root x is equal to 2. So at this point, Tracy, how do we find the value of x?
No.
Root x is equal to 2. How do we find the value of x at that point?
We square.
Good. So we square this side and square that side. So that cancels. So we remain with our x is equal to 2 squared. We get what? 4. Yeah.
Okay.
So the question that we had, which was root of x plus 5 is equal to 5 minus root of x. So this one we have found the value of x to be 4. So if we are to replace the 4 here, it should balance what is this side and what is on the other side. So we can simply do the proof. This is just extra work that we want to do to see whether our answer is correct. So we have we can put the 4 there. So we have 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 minus square root of 4. Okay, so 4 plus 5, that's 9, is equal to 5 minus square root of 4, that's 2. So root of 9 is 3. 5 minus 2, that's 3. So that confirms that our answer was correct for the value of x.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's what we have for the first question.
Thank you.
Yeah, so this is how it is done, Tracy. And yeah, like I was saying, so we give you guys an opportunity to have the class before you can pay and see whether it's something worthy paying for. If not, then you decide not to pay at all, because once we have paid, us we don't refund, we chew the money. So yeah, so I don't know, from what we have done, I don't know what would be your comment.
No, it's okay. It's very clear.
Okay, you are able to see clearly everything.
Yes, I'm able to see everything, but though the camera is ups and down.
Oh yeah, I'll try to see how that can be worked on.
All right, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Otherwise, if that's the case, so like, come again.
Not even talk about it. Should just be few of us.
Okay. Yeah, anyway, we'll talk about that.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll talk
so
about that.
Time?
Come again?
I'm saying tomorrow, what time?
Yeah, I think 20 is okay. This time around, the network has stabilized. During the day, there's usually some network challenges in some areas, but I think this time around, the network